What is going on YouTube? This is your Pakistani Haseeb here, bringing you another video. And for today's video right here, I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. I have my latest pickups right here. It came in the mail today. But before I get into this unboxing right here for you guys, please make sure to hit the like button for this video. As also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate the support from you guys. And it really helped me out and grow more as a YouTube creator. So if you guys hit the subscribe button for me, so please do that. But with all that being said though, let's get right into this unboxing. So one more thing I wanted to point out is before this to do this unboxing right here is today is August 23rd and today was the birthday of the late Kobe Bryant, so I want to wish him a happy birthday as well. He would have been 42 today, and it's very unfortunate, you know, what happened to him earlier this year. You know, we all wish he was here. As a big basketball fan, a big sneaker fan, I know how much Kobe Bryant meant to me personally. I loved watching him play. He was a fantastic competitor, and it's a damn shame, a big tragedy of what happened to him earlier this year. So I do want to wish him a happy birthday. They did release the Kobe 5 Pro Trail big stage earlier today, but as usual on Nike sneakers, it's sold out, and a lot of resellers are having their hands on that pair, and the price on them are crazy. So I'm kind of disappointed in Nike a little bit that they didn't really handle the Kobe situation that well in regards to the sneakers, because they're releasing more sneakers later this week, and the situation's not looking that good in terms of how they're handling it, because it's all going through Nike sneakers, and I have not copped anything in Nike sneakers in months. So I'm hoping I get a Kobe for retail this week. You know, I'm praying pretty well that I can, because I love Kobe Bryant, and it would be a treat that if a fan could get the shoes instead of a bunch of like resellers, because they're going for like 700 bucks online. So hopefully more fans get their hands on the shoes that they want for Kobe Bryant for sure. But with all that being said though, my most recent pickup today came from GOAT, and this is the latest Jordan release in this box. They came out a few weeks ago, and this release right here, at first I wasn't really feeling them too much. They were like whatever to me, but when I saw more and more pictures of them, more videos of them, and just seeing them on feet, I really wanted the sneaker, and I tried going for them on Nike, but of course, like I said before, I take L's on Nike sneakers recently, so I didn't get them, so I had to pick them up on the resale market. But I think it's really worth it to pick them up now before the prices go up. So with all that being said, I'm going to open up the box right here and show you guys what the most recent pickup is. So opening this up, we got a little paper here. I'm going to actually turn it around the other way so I can get it out. So my most recent pickup from GOAT, and if you guys can see right here, I have a silver Nike box, and you guys may already know what this might be with terms of the silver box right here. So if I open it up, we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 Tokyo pair, or Co.JP Tokyo, in this very nice, you know, all over silver color. And just looking at these first in hand, the quality on the shoe is absolutely amazing, honestly. When I first saw this shoe, like on pictures and stuff and on Nike sneakers release calendar, I wasn't really going too crazy about them. I thought they're whatever, but just looking at them and just seeing that these are the first time since 2001 that they released, I'm really glad to have this sneaker right here. It's just super nice in my opinion. I really like the silver, I think, and the use of materials on the sneaker as well. The quality on the shoe is absolutely insane. I think it is very soft to the touch, because if you guys see here, some parts of the shoe, like the toe right here and on the heel side where the ankle is, it's this nice premium leather on here. Also the Nike swoosh too, with a nice silver leather, and then you also have like some like nubuck on the inside as well here, and also on the front of the toe as well. This is insanely really well, and in my opinion, I think this is probably the best Jordan 1 to release this year so far, I think. Because just thinking back on all the Jordans they released this year, especially the ones, it's all been like 2.0s, a different version of the shoes, like the pine green 2.0s, the court purple 2.0s, the royal toes, you know what I mean? Color schemes we've seen before already. So for them to bring out like this silver color right here, and for it to be such a banger of a colorway right here, and actually a colorway from the archives that came out back in 2001, as is only released back in Japan, because that's the name of the shoe, Co.JP. I think this is the best Air Jordan 1 released this year so far. Super dope in my opinion. They're just a little bit different compared to other retro ones because it does have rope laces instead of the regular flat laces right here. Also on the wings logo right here, it's a embossed wing logo, or a it's like the little plastic piece or clear piece. It's not really embossed, but you know what I mean when you see that plastic Air Jordan piece right here. You've seen this primarily with like the New Loves Old Love pack back in the day, so that's a nice touch here. And also on the tongue right here, it doesn't have the little like stitched tongue thing. It has Nike Air stitched here, but not like the little Nike Air like little nylon piece. And also on the back it says 2001 to 2020, so the 19-year difference from when the shoe last released right here. So very dope shoe right here. Also, like I said before here, the box is silver right here. You know, it's a nice little touch they put right here. Here's the other pair I have right here on my hand. And also the paper, taking the paper out here, the paper has nice little Jumpmans on it, and it says 2001 to 2020. So again, very nice touches on the shoe right here. I actually love the execution they put on this. They made the shoe a lot more premium, if I could say that correctly. And I'm just really glad to have this sneaker right here. Like I said, for this, the best Air Jordan 1 to release so far this year. I'm definitely looking forward to the white and navy pair that comes out later this year. I'm definitely gonna get that one for sure to complete the set with this one. And for this shoe, you know, if you rock like, you know, beige pants and a white t-shirt, that's a perfect fit right there for you. Like, you know what I mean? You don't want to go too crazy with this because it's such a crazy shoe already to begin with, all over silver. So you keep it simple on your fit, this would pop out for sure. And no one's gonna have these either because they might stick with just regular Jordan 1 colorways. But that's my most recent pickup for today. Let me know what you guys do think of this pickup right here. Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for me so you guys receive updates when I do post more videos, whether it's, you know, unboxing, sneaker reviews, sneaker content. I have more stuff coming in the mail, so I look forward to unboxing that for you guys. And like I said before, I'm really glad to have these. And also, it's the GOAT's birthday today, so RIP Kobe. And also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian. The Instagram's on the bottom left corner of this video. And once again, guys, I appreciate the support. Peace. Never see the sun, always see the night.